I'm Carrie from ASUS Store Sales and Marketing team, and I will be presenting our latest and greatest for year 2021. Let's take a look at our newest value products, DRIVEStor and DRIVEStor Pro. The DRIVEStor 2 and DRIVEStor 4 follow the amazing design features of the AS10 series, while vastly improving the internals for one of the fastest home and small business NAS devices. The DRIVEStor 2 Pro and DRIVEStor 4 Pro bring the same great performance as the DRIVEStor 2 and 4 while bringing even more features for power users. Both DRIVEStor and DRIVEStor Pro series are equipped with a Realtek RTD1296 quad-core CPU clocked at 1.4 GHz, DDR4 RAM, which increases efficiency by up to 40%, 2.5 Gigabit Ethernet, more than doubling the performance of Gigabit Ethernet, WAN LAN and WAN support, and the most essential feature, 4K hardware decoding support. What makes DRIVEStor and DRIVEStor Pro ASUS Store's highest value NAS product is not only the amazing price, but strong performance and media features previously unseen on entry-level devices. Previously, 4K hardware decoding support was limited to our Intel-based NAS devices with an iGPU. Not anymore. Use media mode when watching a video to reserve 512 MB of memory for multimedia playback and decoding. Reserving memory helps with video playback and decoding performance by preventing other apps from using up all available RAM. The DRIVEStor and DRIVEStor Pro come with the all-new ADM 4.0 for a faster and more secure experience. With the brand new dark mode, you'll be saving energy and preserving the life of OLED panels when using ADM. ADM 4.0 brings the new theme options and login page allow you to customize your own style. ADM 4.0 also has major improvements in Searchlight and Task Monitor. ADM 4.0 also brings upgraded security with OpenSSL upgrades and performance improvements with Samba. Thank you for watching this video. The DRIVEStor and DRIVEStor Pro is some of our best value NAS devices. If needed, please reach out to our regional sales manager for further information.